Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video is presented by Amazon. Numatic HVR 200i Henry I1 Bag Cylinder Vacuum Cleaner. The standard accessory kit is fully comprehensive, and even some of the tools are stainless steel. A true professional in every sense of the word, but never without famous smile, loved, and appreciated by users the world over. More than 389 British gave it 5 stars. And now, it became a best-selling items at Amazon. Click the blue link in the description to get the best price on Amazon.